2007 Chevy Malibu turn signal lever change. Probably one of the easiest procedures to do on this car. Pretty simple. There are 3 screws. 1, 2, 3, 7mm. Let's pull those out real quick. Okay, then just flip your lever down here and pull this cover off. Pull the wheel to you a little bit, makes it easier. You can leave this piece here dangling. Also, there's no need to pull this cover completely out. That rubber is kind of a bear to get back in there in the correct spot. So now for the lever, there are 2 clips, one here and one right there. You pull them together towards the switch. The switch is released. There's one plug in here, and there's one other plug in. Hold on just a second. There we go. And the switch is out. That's it. Just reverse procedure, pretty easy. Slide the switch in, plug it in, put your plastics back together, and put your 3 7mm screws back in.